Bonds have a reputation for being boring, but they're full of surprises. So we're going to bust 5 biggest myths about bonds very quickly. And myth number 5 will actually surprise you. So stay tuned till the end. Myth number 1. Bonds are only for the rich. Quick question. What do you think is the minimum investment amount in bonds? 1 lakh rupee? 10 lakh rupee? Well, it's just 1000 rupee. That's it. You don't need to be wealthy to start. Bonds are far more accessible than most people think. Myth number 2. You can't sell bonds before maturity. Again, not true anymore. Nowadays, you can sell your bonds anytime without worrying about its maturity. Thanks to better regulations and online bond platforms, selling before maturity is now genuinely possible and pretty seamless. Myth number 3. India's bond market is tiny. 53.6 lakh crore. Still think it's small? And by 2030, Niti Aayog projects it could touch 100 to 120 lakh crore. This is one of the biggest financial opportunities in the country right now. Myth number 4. Bonds have no tax benefits. Bonds actually offer two types of tax benefits. First, 54EC bonds help you save capital gains tax on property sales. Second, tax-free bonds issued by government bodies like NTPC and NHAI. They give you interest that's completely tax-free. We've got detailed videos on both. Go check them out. Myth number 5. Bonds always give lower returns than stock. This is probably the most common reason people overlook bonds entirely. And it's just not always true. In volatile or bear markets, bonds don't just hold their ground. They can actually outperform equities. Just look at these years when Nifty 50 struggled. During these same years, corporate bonds were quietly delivering 9 to 12% consistent returns. No drama, no volatility, just steady income. And that's just corporate bonds. Tax-free bonds make the case even stronger. So next time someone says bonds are boring or inaccessible, you know what to say. And keep following Fixed Returns Academy by Grip Invest.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments, mutual funds are subject to risks, including delay and/or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.